Yeah, mass customization is all about having a product that can be reconfigured on the fly, just in time, to be able to meet a specific customer's requirements. So no one technology can do it. We've got an entire suite of different additive manufacturing technologies.
We break it into prototyping and production. When we're doing minimum viable products, fused filament with the Mark Forge creates great looking, strong parts. When we need higher resolution, optically clear plastic, for instance, the carbon 3D allows us to see through and visually inspect the design from the outside. As we work with HP on prototypes, we're using a black part, grayscale part, on their machines to give us great looking prototypes. How do we handle production?
So we're using multi-jet fusion and the grayscale, as you said, for production. And then we'll do the same thing for the full color parts. So that's also using the multi-jet fusion. And again, we'll finish that with the AMT vapor smoothing technology, which seals the part, really brings out the colors, and it makes it look like it was painted on there, not printed. And those are the technologies that we'll be using for full production. For this to be effective, it really requires specialized technologies for different segments.
So we bring all these technologies together to tie an end solution, an end-use product. We're allowing the flexibility and freedom for the users to choose the sort of look and feel that they best align with.